Hansgrohe Raindance 300 air shower head in brushed nickel. From a simple hand shower to a luxurious, oversized shower head, Hansgrohe has everything you could wish for in a shower. Hansgrohe shower products provide you with the ultimate in design, functionality, and quality, leading to performance and styles that will please even the most discerning bather. Rediscover water as a source of relaxation in a soothing, warm rain shower or with an invigorating whirl air massage. No matter what you want, you will find countless possibilities for your showering oasis with Hansgrohe. If you have any questions or concerns regarding this product and/or its functionality, please contact Hansgrohe's customer service department at 1-800-334-0455. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Enjoy a relaxing rain-like shower with air-infused drops that provide luxurious coverage and wash away daily stress. Number 2. Easy-to-clean silicone spray channels enable you to easily wipe away deposits from nozzles for optimal performance. Number 3. Delivers air-enriched drops that are fuller, lighter and softer, resulting in an invigorating high-performance spray and a more pleasurable shower experience. Quick summarizing: 12-inch face diameter, a half-inch female inlet, 225 no-clog spray channels. Features quick cleaning system, solid brass construction, and air injection technology. Requires arm and flange, sold separately. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.